Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, poo? Okay, we are here with another video. Honestly, he says, today, as you can see from the title, we are going to do some really fun styles with our Butterfly Faux Locs. I've honestly been digging this. I usually keep a style for a week, but I promised myself I would keep this for longer, and I am loving it. Okay, so we are going to do my favorite styles with these faux locks. Stay tuned. So before we get into all of my favorite styles, I want you to please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell right here for notifications, so anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure that you share this video with your friends, y'all. Let's hop right into it. Okay, you guys, so honestly I haven't been wearing them down because we're still kind of in quarantine, still a pandemic, so I don't really go anywhere, but I do actually love how it looks just down like this. This is not a style that's just cheap, but I just love the way it looks with like this flip over look. It just gives me vibes. It just gives me vibes. What do y'all think? Like, this just gives vibes just right here. So, but I would definitely go outside with it just down and cute and just giving vibes just like that. Okay, period. Okay, so the most common style that I actually really like is, of course, and even on wigs, is a half up, half down. So I love this kind of half up, half down look, and then I kind of love to like kind of do it like a fan out moment. I don't know, it's a difference to me between like just putting it back and then just having it fan out with like some of the hair down the front. So this is of course one of the most simple styles, but I just love this because it just gives this like look. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about, like that kind of like fan out look. So that's the way I like to do my half up, half down. Okay, you guys, so I actually did do this with the middle parts in the beginning when I first braided out my real hair, and the reason why is because I thought it would be really cute to not only have a middle part but to do two buns, like two mini buns. So we're gonna go for it. I'm gonna leave these two hairs out, right, not mini buns, I lied, these two braids out here. I'm just gonna like move them out of the way. So I'm just gonna pin them together so they stay out the way, and I'm gonna go for, I actually did try this already, but again I don't go nowhere, so it's like, what is the point? But the way I'm going to do them, I'm just going to start twisting them around like as if I did a ponytail, and then start twisting, and then after that making sure these are all neat. Y'all, these jewels on my thumb always get stuck, and I just grab a scrunchie, and then you could tuck the hair in on that side, and then you do the same thing to the other side. Isn't this just so cute? I just love this. Like, it's super cute. Period. This is giving me very 90s aesthetic. You heard it first. Established in 1990. Period. The nail said it. But you want to make sure they're nice and secure. You can put pins or whatever like that. But I love where they fell on my head. They just look super. It just looks super cute. Okay, so this next. Okay, so this next style, I'm trying to do styles that I don't see people usually do, and I think that are really cute. So this next style is actually a style that I think I see a lot with like with not normal locks, with real locks, like locks, women who have locks, and it's like that kind of like side bun kind of moment. So what I'm gonna do is just bring all my hair to one side. I'm gonna grab one of my elastics and I'm gonna put it in a ponytail that's low. You want it to swoop a little bit, but not, you know, just kind of make sure everything looks nice and neat. And then I'm just gonna grab all of it, which is a lot of hair, and I'm just going to put this around. So you could just leave it like this. This is really, really cute, honestly. It's actually really cute. And then you just start twisting. So because my elastic won't fit around it, I don't know where any of my like natural headband scrunchies are, like the big headbands. I have a bunch. I would suggest you use that. So you can't see it, I'm just gonna start clipping it just so it stays where I want it to stay. You can't see what I'm doing in the back. You could honestly do this with bobby pins, but for the purpose of the video, we're just gonna do it so that it fits. And this is the look. I actually love this because this gives me, like, if I was like a guest at a wedding, or if I was going to somewhere, a little formal, this is what I would do this for. Or even just like a day at the beach or something like that, like something to the side, and then you could put like hair clips here. You know what, let's get some hair clips. Let's see how that looks. You guys, this is super cute. I love that. I feel like the hair clips just added something to it. I'm just gonna give you that moment. Yeah, this is definitely like on the formal side of things. I actually really love this. What do you guys think about this one? What do you guys think? I love this. So of course we're gonna do a half up, half down. Hello. So I've already kind of parted it. I don't like to do too much hair in a half up, half down because it has to be a bun. And I'm just gonna throw a elastic around it. Sorry guys. Okay. So of course you've seen a half up, half down, and I kind of pull it like, you see how I kind of lift it up because I don't do a lot. I pull it and then start wrapping. Hope that makes sense. So that it wraps in the position that I want it in. And then I wrap. And we have the hair clips in front of me. So you can do several things. I love these little Care Bear clips. You can put some clips. These Care Bear clips are actually from House of Trillium. You can do this kind of moment. Or you can do another kind of clip. Guys, so I think this one is going to be my favorite because I just love the way I do the accessories and stuff. But we're gonna just do this is all, no, not this one. This is just gonna stay down. So I'm just gonna clip this to the side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it all up. Yes, we're going to do a one. So we're going to do a one. So once we have it like that, we're gonna start wrapping this sucker around. We know how to do a bun, right? I would hope so. Then we're gonna just take this and we're gonna just bring this around. You wanna kind of lay it like flat if you can. And kind of bring it around the back and then twist it into the bun wherever it may go. You kind of want to make sure it's nice and flat and just tuck her in, honey. tuck her in. Not all, maybe just a few, but my butterfly clips are like my favorite clips I have, just because I love butterflies. So I'm not gonna put too many because I'll be here all day. But this, y'all. This, y'all. It's just, it's Regal and it's just ready for summer. I just love this, you guys. This is even giving me like the bun from Cinderella, like in the cartoon one. No? Just me? Okay. Okay, so the next style, you want to push pretty much everything back, and then I'm just going to start with these two right here. And I see this is another style that I see a lot on natural hair girls, like natural locks. And I'm just going to start like weaving the hair over the other, like that. And then you're going to keep grabbing, grabbing, two at a time, you guys, two at a time. Keep grabbing, and you want to pull it kind of tight. I'm just gonna start look like that, like a twist across. Just gonna keep grabbing that hair, one after the other. When I used to work at American Girl doll place, we actually had a style called like this, called the fancy flip. Pretty cute. And then what I'm gonna do is just grab the next two pieces, two pieces of hair, like one and one, and I'm just going like this. This is definitely something just to keep your hair back, but I really just love how it ends up looking. Like this is like a natural like lock style. This gives off the like vibes like I actually have locks. And I just always love like a hair push back, because especially if you have like pretty makeup or if you love your face, it just accentuates your face. And that's just honestly why I love a style like this. And you can also add your clips and all of that. You could do it down the center of it, boom, 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 or down the side of the braids like that, kind of in a way, you know what I mean? Or you can just leave it plain, just like this. Okay, you guys, so the next style, and this will be the last style because I could be here all day showing you guys like ideas. So I'm sorry if you hear construction, you guys. I live in New York City, very loud. Okay, so I'm going to leave this one down, and I'm just going to start twisting. This is like the first style that I did, or whatever style that was, but on a mini bun kind of way, basically. This is definitely giving us a more than one. I'm going. These are the gold flake ones. These are also from House of Trillium. Most of my hair clips are, because she's fabulous. So make sure you check her out. Leave her down in the description box. You want to find the other one. Play like this, which I think is really, really cute. Like two little clips right in front of it. I think it just adds a little bit of to it, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I love hair accessories, especially when you want to do it up. And if you're like me and you like to change your hair a lot, making sure that you style it and all of that helps you keep it longer. If you are me and trying to let your scalp breathe a little longer and let your hair grow out a little bit, literally non-manipulation styles instead of slapping a wig on every single day. So Okay, flowers, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video of the styles that you should try for your butterfly faux locks. I hope you enjoy, and I hope it helps give you some ideas. Before I close it out, make sure that you join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Period. Alright, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, see you guys in my next video. Bye.